As promised, we have the management of Rushil Decor, Mr. Rushil Thakkar, Executive Director, joining us on the show. Hi, Mr. Thakkar. Good to be speaking with you. There has been an improvement in the utilization levels. The revenue is up 9% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. But overall, for the coming year, what kind of expectation do you have with respect to the growth, the demand environment?
So, first of all, good afternoon. Talking about our production capacity, yes, we have improved a lot in last couple of quarters, and our target is to take it to the 90 to 95% of utilization, whereas our value-added product will be around 50% over the year in the terms of quantity. That's where we are looking that the revenues will come from on the aggressive side. We are trying to make sure that we get back with our the results what we published in 2023. And yes, by taking an aggressive target, we are planning to cross 1,000 crore total turnover plus in this year.
There's a very interesting development which happened about a month back which caught my attention. I wanted to talk to you about it. You formed a subsidiary which will be going into the plywood space. Is that a kind of a Modala Ply or something like that? Can you tell us what's the rationale of it? What kind of plan do you have there forming this subsidiary? Is it a kind of a forward integration?
So we had an almost a good amount of products in our basket to serve our distributors and dealers. But one product which was missing was plywood. So that's where we thought of going with a subsidiary company for Rushil Modala Ply Limited. And currently the capacity of Modala Ply is around 300 boards a day, which will be increasing the capacity to 1,000 boards a day by this September end. And by next September, we are doubling the capacity to 3,000 boards a day. So this was a strategic decision to make sure that our distributor and dealers get the exclusivity of selling all the Veer products which we serve in the market.
Smart strategy. Talk to us about how much can this part of a line of business can contribute to your overall numbers, say in the next 3-year period. As you said that in next coming years, your numbers will go back to what it used to be in 23. So together, what kind of top line, bottom line targets have you set internally?
So talking about the top line, this year target is our really clear that we are going to cross 1,000 crore cap by hook or by crook. And talking about the margins, we have already been telling that our EBITDA margins will be maintained at 14 to 16% annually, which is a plan of our target.
Okay, so 14 to 16% growth and 1,000 crore top line for sure. But could you tell us what will be the export contribution in this 1,000 crores? And also if we look at FY26 then, what kind of growth rate should we envisage for the company? Can it be 20-30% in the next 2 to 3 years? Will it be largely 15 to 20%? Give us a bit more detail.
So with our upcoming 2 projects, one which is already been discussed is Modala Ply, where we are targeting about the revenue of 150 crore plus by financial year 26. And coming back to our new greenfield project, which is jumbo size laminates, which is generally exported to the developed countries like USA, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, etc., which is a higher value and higher margin product. There we are focusing and targeting the revenue of 140 to 160 crore by next year, next financial year. This year, the revenue growth would be somewhere around 50 to 60 crores as the plant will be starting in the end of second quarter.
Rushil, can you tell us what are the efforts you're taking? What are the levers you're pressing on the margin management or improvement side?
Talking about the margin side, we have already started taking a backward integration into the action, like talking about the margins where the raw material prices, how can it be controlled? We are talking about the manpower cost, etc., from where the hidden revenues can be, hidden margins can be taken out. So that is where we have been focusing and talking about the value-added products. So where our realization is higher than the normal product. That's where our focus is. The last financial year, we did around 42% of the value-added product of our blended capacity. This year, our target is to achieve 50%, and next year, our target is to achieve 65% in the value-added product.
Okay. All right, Rushil, thanks very much for your time and good luck in your efforts.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.